You know, businesses succeed at the speed of efficiency. And one of the things that RedeApp has allowed us to do is to be more efficient as a company. So what was life like at Westbrook Construction prior to our relationship with RedeApp? As a construction company, we have multiple job sites. If crew members wanted to reach out to somebody back at the office, the only method that they had was a cell phone. And in some cases, they may be in an area where cell phone coverage was spotty. If we had policies that were brand new, if we had things that we wanted to get out to the field, this had to be done by printing out paper, stuffing envelopes, relying on snail mail, hoping things get out there in the appropriate manner. So fast forward about a year and a half into my tenure with Westbrook, we brought RedeApp into the table, started having conversations with them about how their platform could really help out some of our pain points. The conversation with RedeApp was extremely simple. They really took the time to get to know us as individuals, understand the culture of our company, and really understand our business. The marriage of RedeApp and what Westbrook does was seamless. It was like puzzle pieces coming together.
So when I started at Westbrook, we really didn't have any of our safety paperwork digital. So it made it a pretty big challenge based on the fact that we had started to grow and we were becoming more and more geographically spread out. So when we introduced RedeApp, it made things a lot easier because we weren't dealing with all the paperwork, and we weren't dealing with the paperwork going through so many people's hands where things were being misplaced, information was getting to us late, and it was getting to us immediately. As soon as it was being filled out, it's coming to us. And in addition to that, they even have something that's called graphs, so we can look in that and it gives us all this statistical analysis that we don't have to do anything on our end except for look at it, and we can see those trends within the data that's being submitted without really having to do anything on our end because RedeApp's kind of just spitting that information out for us.
Our safety's second to none, and it's really convenient now with the RedeApp. And before, it was all on paper. They would have to give it to the foreman or superintendent on a job. That paperwork had to go to the office. And now with the RedeApp, it's instant. The safety department gets that good catch instantly. And if there's an issue there with that, they can respond quickly. Whereas before it was turned in on paper, well, they may not get it for a week. So RedeApp's great.
One of the things that has contributed greatly to the success and growth of our company is that we are a really strong team. And we do have people that are in the office that do functions, and we have people that are out in the field that do important functions. And it takes both of them. And the key is that we are one team, and RedeApp has really helped to bridge that to where we are one organization, whether you're doing a role in the office, doing a role in the field, or going back and forth. By having that communication tool, by having the forms and the resources at the tip of a finger, we're all engaged and all working towards a common goal. I really encourage you to reach out to RedeApp and consider this. It has made a huge impact in our organization. And you know, I imagine a future where lots of contractors are on the same platform communicating, and not only can we communicate within our company, we can communicate between our companies, and it'll be a real game changer for our industry.